warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yosi Rahmawan, 19 to 4 blank 659 and class 19 to 17. Well, today I will be presenting on two main topics, which are computer and hardware. Let's start with our discussion about computer. Computer definition. A computer is an electronic device that receives data, process in according to instruction, and produce useful information for the user. Computer work on the basic model of input, process, and output. This means that in the computer receive input, process the data on the process on output, then we can use. Type of computer based on state and function, computer and divided into several types. Desktop computer and the common type used in home and office. Laptop provide mobility with integral component. Tablet and smartphone are handheld computer with touchscreen. For specialist needs, there are and many use to advanced and support computer for highly complex calculation. Yes. And next, main function of computer. Computer have four main functions, which for data calculation, such as math and statistics. Second, for storing and processing large small amount of data. Third, for communication, such as email and video calls. And fourth, for entertainment, such as games and multimedia. With this function, computer have become an essential tool in modern life. Ah, okay, computer. Okay, next, yeah. Computer operation system. An operation system is software that control the working of a computer and mediates between the hardware and the user. Example of popular operation systems are Windows, uh, Mac, Mac OS, and Linux for desktop computer, and Android and iOS for mobile device. The operating system manages the computer's resource, such as memory, storage, and processing capabilities. In last conclusion about computer. To conclude the session on computer, we have learned that computer are versatile still electronic devices. They processing data are used for information. Computer come in many different types and sizes, ranging from handheld devices to supercomputers. There are many functions include calculation, data storage and processing, communication, and entertainment. All computers require an operating system as the basic software that manage all their operation. Advance in computer technology continues to develop rapidly, making computers smarter yet more powerful and efficient. Okay, uh, okay, no. Now we move on the second part with computer hardware. Hardware is the physical component of a component that we can see and touch. Let's go over the main component that we make of a computer. Central Processing Unit or CPU. The CPU or processor is the brain of the computer, the carried on instruction and calculation. CPU is measured in DC gigahertz and highlight the number of faster in process. Modern CPU have multi-type or the allow the computer perform multi-type text add-ons. Example of popular CPU are Intel or an AMD Ryzen. And next, now RAM, RAM or random access memory. RAM is the temporary memory where the computer stores the data of running program. The larger the RAM capacity measured in GP. The more application can run smoothly at the same time. And when the content from will be lost when the computer is turned off, which is why we need to save on work to a permanent storage device. Next, storage device. Okay, storage device. Storage device store data permanently. Hard disk differs. It use magnetic writer and overlays capacity of four frames. Solid state driver without moving parts provide much higher speed. Thus, the more expensive. There are also USB flash driver for portable storage and optical driver for CDs. Hmm. Uh, okay, motherboard. Yeah, next year motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit for where the components are connected, contain the CPU socket, RAM slot, expansion slot for additional card, connector for storage device, and various for source, USB and audio. The motherboard determines with a component compatible with our computer system. Okay. Input device. Input device also use the enter data. Okay. Okay. Input and output device. Input device also use the enter data into the computer, keyboard, mouse, touchpad, scanner, and microphone. Will output device display the result of computer processing, monitor, printer, speaker, and projector. The combination of input and output device is what also used to interact with the computer. The output device, yeah. Projector, printer, monitor, sample. Okay, next, CPU or graphics processing unit. CPU is a specialist processor for handling Graphics data, CPU are essential for gaming, video editing, graphic design, and application that require parallel calculation. CPU have a many small core that work simplest simultaneously to handle complex graphics. Example of favorite CPU are NVIDIA, GeForce, and AMD Ryzen. Okay, networking device. Networking device also allow computer to connect to the internet or local network. Network interface are niche or available in the wide and or internet and wireless or Wi-Fi from modem connect computer the internet to an ESP or say internet service provider. Router in distributes the internet connection to multi-type device and odds. Okay, next hardware maintenance. In particular, uh, hardware maintenance to keep the hardware and staying properly. Regular maintenance. Regularly, regularly remove tools from internal component, update device driver, monitor the temperature of components, especially the CPU, and backup program data. Good maintenance will extend the life of your computer device image. Last, hardware calculation. In calculation, a computer is a versatile electronic device made up of various hardware components that work together. Understanding computer and their hardware parts and costs is and maintain computer better. Technology continue to evolve, but these basic concepts of computer hardware remain relevant. Thank you. Thank you. This controls many positions of computer hardware. Thank you for your attention and the last topic. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.